In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Pinterest to manage your saved content efficiently. So let's dive right in and make sure you can easily access all your favorite pins whenever you need them. To get started, you're going to want to open your web browser and head over to Pinterest. You can do this by typing pinterest.com into the address bar and hitting enter. If you're not already logged in, this would be the perfect time to enter your credentials and access your account. Now, once you're on the Pinterest homepage, your first task is to go to your profile. You'll typically find your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. It could be your profile picture or an icon resembling a person. Go ahead and click on this, and it will directly take you to your profile page. Once you're on your profile page, there's a clear option that says View Profile. This is what you're looking for, and you should click on it. Viewing your profile is an essential step because it gives you an overview of everything you've pinned or saved over time. This is where you can really start to tailor your Pinterest experience by organizing and reviewing your saved pins. After clicking View Profile, you should see several options that help you manage different aspects of your Pinterest account. One of the key sections you'll want to explore is Saved. This is where all your saved pins reside. Think of it as a virtual scrapbook of all your favorite ideas, images, and inspirations that you've stumbled upon on Pinterest. Accessing it is really simple. On your profile page, you'll see a tab or section clearly marked as Saved. Click on this, and you'll be transported into your personal collection of bookmarks. Inside the Saved section, you'll find boards that you've created. Boards are essentially folders where you've categorized your pins based on themes or topics. It's here that you can further organize your pins, maybe by creating new boards or moving pins around to make it easier to find what you're looking for in the future. Whether you're planning a home renovation, organizing recipes, or gathering fashion inspiration, keeping your boards intuitive and well organized can make browsing through your pins much more enjoyable. And just like that, you're done. Navigating through Pinterest to access your saved pins is really all about familiarizing yourself with the basic layout of your profile and knowing where to find your collections. Remember, the more organized you are with your boards and categories, the easier it'll be to retrieve that one idea you pinned months ago. I hope this guide helps make your Pinterest experience smoother and more enjoyable. Thanks for tuning in, and happy pinning!